Oh my goodness, what happened? It's not recording. Okay, see here. Huh. Zero of the zero polynomial. What is the meaning of zero of the zero polynomial? Zero means solution of the polynomial. What is the solution of the zero polynomial? That is the answer. So what is a zero polynomial? Tell me. Zero polynomial means all coefficients of variables supposed to be zero, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
yeah. So let me write here. Zero polynomial means what? Zero polynomial can be defined as the points where polynomial becomes zero. Means what? The points where polynomial becomes zero. So the whole polynomial will become zero. That is what the zero polynomial. What is the solution of the zero? Zero only. Getting my point?
Sir, can I?
See, look at this my here. One second. The polynomial it's having polynomial having zero. I'm getting noise. Who's that?
Sorry, sir.
Sorry, who is that? I'm getting noise. Please, can you please turn on your turn off your? Can you please put your mic in mute? The polynomial having value 0 is equal to what? 0 of polynomial. 0 polynomial. So what is the solution of 0? 0 is a term or it is a polynomial. All right. What is the solution of that? 0 only. Getting my point?
Sir, but it can be any real number, right, sir?
Yes, sir.
It can what? See, any real number is what? It could be minus, plus. Any real number, how can it be, ma? Tell me. Any real number means what? It can be natural number. It can be a whole number. It can be a rational and irrational number. It can be an integer. See, it cannot be natural numbers. Real number means natural number, whole number, rational, irrational number, integers. Zero is what?
Sir, zero of the zero polynomial means a solution is zero, means x
Yeah.
equal to zero.
Yeah.
Sir, can I annotate?
See here, x is equal to 0. For suppose if I write, 1 second, let me write.
So 0 into 0 is not defined, right?
That is what I'm telling you. 0 into 0 not defined.
Means zero polynomial means coefficients are zero and the solution is x, means x equal to 0. 0 into 0 is not defined.
1
The
second.
thing is like when I marked it as 0, it is showing that no, the answer is any real number like that.
Sir, can I annotate on the screen, sir?
Sorry.
Sir, it is showing the answer is any real number. That is why I was confused.
No. It should be 0. Okay. Getting my point? Understood?
No, sir.
See here, for suppose if I write 0 into x square plus 0 into x plus, oh, 1 second, here it's not getting touch. Huh. See here, if I substitute, first of all, let me write. For suppose, let me take any polynomial like, let me take any polynomial p of x is equal, let us say 0x cube plus 0x square plus 0 into x plus any 0. This is my what? 0th polynomial. Can I say this? Yes or no? So if I'm
Yes,
asking 0 of 0 polynomial, which means what? In place of x, I need to substitute with a 0. Getting my point? Getting my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So 0 into 0 plus 0 into 0 plus 0 into 0 plus 0. Sum of all 0 is going to be 0 only, right? Now, could you say, please, this is not defined? We cannot say, right? So sum of all 0 is going to be given 0. So 0 is the answer. Getting my point? Shall we go for the next question without any wasting time?
Sir, I have a similar doubt to another question, same options. But the question is that the degree of a zero polynomial is dash.
Degree of the zero polynomial not defined.
Not defined.
Not defined. We have discussed already this question. Getting my point? One second. Let me read the chart. Someone has, but she's asking. She can write. Who is Tosnika? Who is want to write that on screen? Ananya, what do you want to write,
Sir, I
ma?
put it in the chat, sir. I put it in the chat.
Cool. Please, don't write anything. Ask. I'll write. Okay, shall we go for the next question, guys?
Yes.
Guys, like we have,
So we will have 40 minutes break in this app. Sir?
1 second, no 40 minutes, no 40 minutes gap. Look at this here. Solve the second question. In each of the following, use factor theorem to find whether g of x is a factor of polynomial f of x or not. Look
Okay,
at the
sir.
flow.
1 second.
Make it fast. Good evening, sir. This is Ashini. This is my second class, sir. I wasn't there in the previous classes when you taught the chapter. Sri Sai Ashini, not an issue. You just go through that. If you have any doubts, so you can ask. Okay. Getting my point, Ma?
Okay, sir.
Make it fast.
Excuse me, sir.
So we have to reply privately.
Yes.
Sir,
Make it fast.
sir, for the second bit, fourth one, is it first one is false and next two are true, sir?
Yeah. First one is true.
One
Second
is-
one is true. Third one is false. Fourth one is true.
Huh.
Fifth one, sixth, seventh, eighth. You have to solve it at home. Please take a screenshot
Sir?
of. Tell me, Ma. Yes.
Sir, I'm saying that second bit, fourth one is there now, sir. In that one is false and 2 and 3 are true, sir.
Oh, you mean say, oh, okay. One is true. Okay, 2 and 3, what you are going to get? I didn't check. What is the answer of 2 and 3? We'll see. 2
True,
and 3.
sir.
True.
True, sir.
Yeah. True. 8 minus 24, which is going to give me minus 16. Minus 16 minus. Yeah, right. True. Second one
Yes.
is true. This is true. This is true. And 27 minus 54. Minus 27. Minus 27 plus 33. Plus 6. Yeah.
Minus.
Third one is also true. Yeah, everything is true.
Yes, sir.
Everything is true. So fourth answer, everything is true. So 1 is the root of this polynomial. 2 is also 0 of this polynomial. And 3 is also 0 of this polynomial. So everything is true. I hope you got it. So first question, make it fast without any delay,
Sir, I
please.
replied.
Okay, let's check it out.
Sir, I replied.
It is only everyone had.
Huh?
What is that true?
Sir,
X is equal to 3. Yes. One second.
sir, actually, I think the problem is from my side because I'm unable to private chat you.
Okay.
Only for me, the everyone chat is enabled. So may I
Everyone?
know the answer is everyone chat only?
I didn't get you. Sorry.
Sir, in the chat box for me, only everyone chat is available, not the private chat to you or to any of the participants.
Okay.
So how may I reply?
So I think you need to change some settings, I guess so.
Sir,
What's your name?
Answer for the second one.
Please, you post your answers. Let me check. What's your name, Ma?
Toshnika.
Tosinika. 1 second. Let me go to the participants. Toshnika. Hello, record. Hello, make host. Hello, multi. I think you have to check from your side, Ma. You have to check your settings. So from my side, everything is perfect. So good. Mohit, Harini, Toshnik.
Sir, can you
Krishnaj.
explain the second question, sir?
Sorry?
Can you explain the second question?
Definite. Which one?
Question number 2. 3x to the power 4 plus 17x plus 9x square. Sir, down,
Sir,
sir,
it is
down.
down only.
Oh, this one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I didn't get how you're doing this.
Which one? I didn't even explain. Will explain you. Sure. See here, whether this is a what is the question? Whether g of x is equal to x minus 3 is a factor of this polynomial or not. That is what we have to check. What is the procedure I told you in last class?
We have to equate x minus 3 with 0.
So
Yes, sir.
1 second. Okay. See here, x minus 3, which means x is equal to 3, right? x is equal to 3, whether it's a
Yes,
factor
sir.
or not,
We have
that's
to
what we have to check.
substitute x1.
So look at this here. Sujan, I guess Sujan is asking that out. Please.
Yes, sir.
So 3 cube is going to give me 6 into 3 square plus 11 into 3 minus 6. So what I'm going to get here, 3 cube, which is going to give me 27, minus 6 into 3 square, which is going to give me 9, plus 11 3 is 33, minus 6. So 27 plus
Minus 54 is minus 27.
50, 60 minus 54 minus 6, 60. So 60 minus 60 is going to give me 0. So I'm getting 0. So I can say x minus 3 is a factor of that particular polynomial. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Done? Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Very good. So first one is true. Second one,
Sir,
So
I
second
got
one
the
is
remainder
true.
as minus 2.
So it is false.
so it is a false. Very good.
Yes, sir.
So very basic questions. If you are getting answer, feel free to share the answer. Oh, it is a false. I might have made a mistake. Don't think that. Even you made a mistake, not an issue. We'll modify that. We'll rectify that. Please put
Sir,
your
isn't
answers in
it
the chat
true,
box.
sir?
Sir, isn't it true? The second one?
I didn't check.
Yes, sir,
We'll
it's
check.
true.
We'll solve. We'll solve.
The question is to verify using factor theorem, right?
Yeah.
So it should be true.
Yeah. See, you can use synthetic method.
Yes,
For,
sir. I'm
yeah.
doing like
See,
that.
Yes,
Yeah.
I used that only.
yeah. See here. For x is equal to minus 5, I have to substitute here. What I have to substitute, x is equal to minus 5. Why? Because x plus 5 is equal to 0. If I make so, x is equal to minus 5, I'm getting. So if I substitute over here, 3 into minus 5 whole to the power of 4 plus 17 into minus 5 whole to the power of 3 plus 9 into minus 5 to the power of 2, 7 into minus 5 minus 10. So what I'm going to get here, look at this here, 3 into 5 power of 4, which is going to give me 625 plus 17 into 5 cube, which is going to give me 125 minus 125. So plus 9 into 5 square, which is going to give me 25 plus 35 minus 10. See here, 3 into 25, how much? 3 into 25, which is going to give me 1875. How much? 1875 minus 17 into 125, how much?
Minus 2125.
Minus 2125. Very good. So 9 into 25, 225 plus 35 minus 0. Calculate this. So 1875 plus 25, how much? 1900, 2100, 2100 plus 25. 2100.
So 2000,
Yes, sir. it's true.
2225.
1900. Yeah, 2100 plus 2135 minus 10. Yeah, true. Answer is true. I'm getting 0. See guys, if you add this one, I'm getting 2125 minus, sorry.
1 second, sir.
Yeah, I'm going to get, yes, right answer. 2125. This is a,
Sir, while using synthetic method, I got remainder as minus 2.
no, you might have made a mistake. Please check it out. Answer is 110% true. So my answer is true for second question. So what is my third answer? Make it fast. Third answer. See here, I do not want to discuss third question now. Third question is homework. Third, fourth, 5, 6, 7. Everything is homework. Please take it as a homework.
Sir, I found them already.
You found them already. Very good. Great. Now look at this here. 8th question. See, please, you take a screenshot of this. Guys, don't solve it now. If you done with the answers, happy. If you still making, please leave that. Please take a screenshot of these questions. You can make it at your home and you can tell me the answer in next class. Please take a screenshot. Have you done with the taking screenshot? Did you take
Yes,
a screenshot? Good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now look at the 8th question. 8th question. Show that x minus 2, x plus 3, x minus 4 are the factors of this. Make it fast. Solve this question. Already we have discussed this kind of questions. Make it fast. Tell me, I'm going to give you just a minute of time. 1 minute of time. Let's see who is going to give the first answer. Make it fast.
That means we should use these 3 methods.
Yes. See here. X minus 2 is what? X minus 2 means I have to substitute x is
Two.
equal to in the given polynomial. X is equal, x plus 3 means x is equal to minus 3. I have to substitute. X is equal to 4 means I have to substitute x is equal to 4. If you are getting 0, 2 is a factor. We have to show that. Then what is the meaning of that? It must be. These must be the factors of the given polynomial. Are you getting my point? We have to show that x is equal to minus 3, x is equal to 4 are the factors of the given polynomial. So what is the meaning of that? Indirectly, he's saying that x is equal to minus 3, x is equal to 4 are polynomials of, sorry, factors of this polynomial. Getting my point? Yes or no? So we have to verify that. That's all. We have to solve and verify it. I hope you understood.